Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the colorful slang term redneck. It's a word often used for a working class person from a rural area, especially in the southern US, who enjoys a simple country lifestyle, like farming or outdoor hobbies. It can be friendly or critical, depending on how it's said. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. He calls himself a redneck because he loves fixing farm trucks. He's proud of his country life. Her redneck family goes fishing every weekend. They enjoy small town traditions. He wears a baseball cap and jeans, looking like a redneck. His style shows his rural roots. They called her a redneck for camping without a tent. She loves basic outdoor adventures. The slang term redneck started long ago in the early 1800s in the US. It described farmers whose necks got red from working in the sun, especially in the South. Over time, it became a common word for people living a simple, rural life, often tied to country music or small-town ways. It can be a kind word among friends, or an insult if used to mock someone. Use redneck to talk about someone who loves a rural, country lifestyle, especially in fun chats about American culture or small-town habits. This term has a lively, sometimes playful tone and works great in casual conversations. But be careful. It can upset people if it sounds like you're making fun of them. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.